Welcome to Tech Vibes. Listen carefully. If your TV is completely dead or randomly restarting, the power board is the first suspect. In this video, I will explain real, field-tested TV power board problems the same way technicians diagnose them. If your TV has sound but no picture or the red standby light keeps blinking, do not replace the panel yet. In most cases, the fault is inside the power board. Now let us start step by step. Symptom 1. TV totally dead. No standby light. No response from remote or buttons. This usually means no primary voltage is entering the power board. Common causes are blown fuse, shorted bridge rectifier, or faulty primary MOSFET. In many real repair cases, dried primary capacitors are also responsible. Symptom 2. Standby light is on but TV does not turn on. This means standby 5 volt is present, but main 12 volt or 24 volt is missing. Common reasons are bad secondary capacitors, faulty feedback IC, or optocoupler failure. This problem is very common in LED TVs after 2 to 4 years of use. Symptom 3. TV turns on and then immediately turns off. This is a protection mode issue. The power board detects overcurrent or under voltage and shuts down. Shorted LED backlight, weak power IC, or unstable voltage rail can cause this. Technicians always check LED load before replacing the board. Symptom 4. TV keeps restarting again and again. Power comes, logo appears, then TV restarts. In most cases, this is caused by high ripple voltage from weak electrolytic capacitors. The capacitor may look normal, but electrically it is faulty. Symptom 5. No picture but sound is present. This means the power board is not supplying stable voltage to the LED driver. Backlight voltage drops under load. This is confirmed by checking LED output with a multimeter. Symptom 6. Clicking or ticking sound from the power board. This means the SMPS is trying to start but failing. Causes include short circuits, bad startup resistor, or faulty PWM controller. Important technician advice. Always measure voltages printed on the power board label. Never guess. Never use service menu to fix power problems. Replace capacitors with the same microfarad and same or higher voltage rating only. This information is based on real workshop experience and verified technician practices.
If this video helps you, subscribe to Tech Vibes.